Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome to day 19 of the 21-day cleaning routine challenge. Day 19 is car and bag day. It's the final daily focus on our list, but it's a good one. The bag is referring to like your purse or diaper bag or backpack, whatever you use, but set a timer for like 5 minutes, go through it real quick, get all the trash out, get all the things that you don't use out of there, and get it ready for use again. If you're anything like me, there ends up being stuff in there that I have no clue why it's in there or how it got in there, so it's always a good thing to go through, but like I said, just make it quick. This is not meant to take a long time. For the car part, we are going to go into our car, grab 2 bags. I have one for putting stuff in like shoes or socks or kids' toys, because yeah, I have kids, and even though they're supposed to take everything out of the car when they leave, they don't always. So we're gonna get all of that stuff out of there. And then the second bag is for trash. So here again, it's just meant to be a real quick cleanup. So just take 5 or 10 minutes to do it. Now this would also be a great day if you don't need to do that to, vacuum out your car or wipe down the inside or clean the outside. I kind of use it for that because I don't always need to clean out my car, like with the trash and the toys and stuff, and I like to keep the inside of my car looking nice and cleaned up. And with kids, that needs to happen probably at least once a month because we do eat in it sometimes. So yeah, things get put everywhere and food gets everywhere, so it's a great thing to clean up. But Flylady meant for this to be just a quick thing of getting your bag and car cleaned up of trash, but I like to also add in cleaning my car if I have time for that and if I don't need to get rid of the trash and stuff. So here again, it's one of those things that you can adjust it to however you need it to be for you. You can just use it to do a quick clean through your car and get all the trash and extra stuff out, or you can be a little more detailed. Let me know in the comments if you're one of those people who keeps their car spick and span, or if you're like me and my car gets out of hand pretty quickly. And it's not all my kids' fault, honestly. I can be a bit of a slob when it comes to keeping my car clean, even though like I have great intentions of keeping it clean, but it just doesn't always happen. It seems to be something that I forget to do sometimes. I'm looking forward to really implementing this one into my weekly schedule so that I can make sure that my car stays cleaned up. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new here, please subscribe. And if you've been around for a while, thank you so much for joining me. I look forward to seeing you all tomorrow. Have a great day, and I'll see you back for day 20. Bye.